welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Elijah, and today I got a new hat and sunglasses. Well, these sunglasses are my brother's because mine broke. Pretty sad. But this hat, pretty nice. It's a Stetson crushable wool hat. Really comfy. But today we're going to be kayaking, as you can see. And this thing is riding on my hip, like my butt cheek muscle, and it hurts. If I was taller, if I had a longer torso, I'm only like 4'18", so kind of short. So we're gonna go put this thing in the water. So we're gonna set him right here. This is just beyond my backyard, so it's not too far. And I mean by backyard, I mean like 20 acres. And yeah, here's where we're gonna set him. Maybe we can find a huge snapper. I found one of those earlier today when I was checking out the creek because it just rained. That's why this video is going to be late. And oh no. So I would be fine, but lens is dirty. But it had to rain. I was trying to fly the other day, but there was like zero wind. I couldn't get the wing up. It was just, I don't know. I'm pretty new, so hopefully this goes in the water nicely. Oh, okay, nice. Ooh, this net is not nice with my, oh geez, just sunk in like all of the way. Okay, don't slip. Oh no, paddles are stuck. Come on. No. Oh, fine. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky. I'm rocking the kayak a little bit, so just gonna be kayaking today. Nothing the heck too special. And let's go. Also, comment down below, what's your favorite food? And if you pick tacos, you'll be my favorite because I love my tacos. So earlier today, I found this huge snapping turtle just right over here. You guys can't see it, but it's not there anymore. It's sad because I would have shown you guys, but what the heck, that's not right. My leg things are all messed up. I don't know the proper word for it. If you guys do know, tell me, and I would appreciate it so I can use the correct English. Surprisingly, the river, or the creek, whatever you want to call this, is not that high. Very surprised because usually when it rains, we get flooded really bad. But not too bad. It's very calm. Very calm. Surprisingly very calm. Very happy about it. So if you can tell, I am trying to do like an adventure channel kind of thing. It's supposed to be paramotoring, but hey, I'm just trying to get content out there because I was late this week, very much so. I say that a lot, don't I? It's kind of weird why I say it, but yeah, it's okay. Oh no. It is really shallow out here. Hopefully the rain just bumped it up a little. like the surface a little bit, but I really don't doubt. I really don't think it's going to do too much. That's it for today's adventure. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to subscribe, like, ring the bell. I know it's not in the right order, but I appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya. I love my chickens.